The following video demonstrates the process of creating a playlist on an Apple iOS device. We will create the end of the sample 6-hour meditation retreat from the Bodhi House Retreat Reference Guide. In particular, we will be creating the end of the Advanced Retreat Kit, steps 51 through 63. We have already synced the downloaded files to the device using iTunes, and we're ready to start creating the playlist. First, we open the Music app and go to Artists, and then Retreat Kits. Here we see the 3 albums that come with the kit: the Bodhi House Advanced Kit, the Bodhi House Basic Kit, and the Singing Bowl Meditation Timers. You will note that the Advanced Kit album and track names begin with BHA, and the Basic Kit album and track names begin with BHB. On many devices, it is difficult to see the full track names, so using this shortcode and the track number allows you to quickly and easily assemble your retreat when you're not able to see the full track names. We'll begin by going into BHA or Bodhi House Advanced and adding our first track from step 51, which is BHA 06. We click and hold that, and we say Add to Playlist. We're going to create a new playlist, and we're going to call this playlist 6 Hour because this is a 6-hour retreat. So we have named our playlist, and we've added our first track. Next is BHA 15. So we go down to BHA 15, we hold, we add to playlist, and we say 6 Hour. Next is BHA 43. So we scroll down, we hold, we click Add to Playlist, and 6 Hour. Now we go to BHA 14, hold, Add to Playlist, 6 Hour. Scrolling down to BHA 52, the next track on our list, we hold, we add to Playlist, and 6 Hour. Next is BHA 57, hold, add to Playlist, 6 Hour. BHA 54, click, add to Playlist, and select 6 Hour. Now at step 58, we have to add something from an external source. So I'm going to go into another folder, another album, and I'm going to add to the same playlist another meditation. And now we go back to Retreat Kits, Advanced, and we continue on in our kit. BHA 47 is the next track. We scroll down till we find that. We hold, add to playlist, 6 Hour. Scroll down to BHA 64, hold, add to playlist, and 6 Hour. BHA 51, we're nearly done. Hold, add to playlist, and 6 Hour. BHA 41, hold, add to playlist, 6 Hour. And finally, BHA 42, hold, add to playlist, and 6 Hour. So now we have created those last several steps out of our playlist. We're going to go back now all the way to playlists, and we're going to pull up our 6-hour retreat playlist. And we're just going to spot check it real quick here. First track, BHA 06, BHA 15, BHA 43, BHA 14, BHA 52. And we just continue down through this list until we've confirmed that we have all tracks in the correct order. Now to give you an idea what this sounds like, we'll play the first 4 tracks just so you can hear them as they would sound playing them back to back out of this playlist.
After a break lasting 5 minutes, there will be a period of silent meditation, followed by a guided meditation.
And there you go. That is the end of your retreat. We hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to see an example of creating the basic retreat playlist or doing this on an Android device, please view our other video. Thank you.